Good morning, everybody. Well, actually, good afternoon. In this kind of cold state of Maine now, but you can get that off. But, anyways, to the next part, we are going to be doing something that I told you guys about a few weeks ago that I was waiting on. This thing is regarding the package that is right there to the right. And I'm about ready to open it, and we will see what is inside. So, if you all would like to join, smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that like button, hit that, notification button to all. If you guys would like to see more of this, or anything else, make sure to leave me a comment. I already have some other things lined up. I'm not gonna, I am going to be going on vacation here in the next few months. I've already told you guys, a few of you guys, my first, basically, stop. If you guys would like to DM me or leave me a comment of wherever you guys are or anything like that, please do so. I would like to hear that. But other than that, like I've said, please subscribe. Hit that like button. You're gonna need it. But other than that, let's get to this. Right to you. Let's get the knife. Damn, the package of shit's so good. Especially when I don't want it to get damaged. Nothing like that. So, I honestly understand why they would do that. I do. But, I just don't understand why they would go to this extreme packaging it. It's like let's keep going and going and going. Let's keep wrapping her up with tape. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go, everybody. I'll show it to you guys now, and then I'll put it together, and then I'll show you guys it after it's all put together. Hang on one second, we're ready. This here is my brand new drone. Got it? There we go. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Yeah. That is my brand new drone. Include spare parts. Even my dogs heard something, huh? Yeah, you heard something too, huh? Yeah. It's like we heard a ghost. And we got, yes, of course, the camera itself. Camera on camera. Sorry everybody that cut you off real quick, but like I said, we got everything right here. Oh, they just heard that. They heard the TT cry for the first time. Everything right here that we need. Because right now, we're going to take, that's for the phone. Yep. And we are going to take and hook it up. Ain't we, little girl? Say bye. Huh. Say bye-bye, everybody. Because we're going to continue tomorrow. Alrighty, everybody. Back to that. This is a little bit of the aftermath. I know everybody's thinking, firecrackers. Why was it making all that loud noise? Hey, Tia, get your little butt down. Because I did a little something. Like I said, it's called experiment. And that is what happened. Seriously, huh, Tig? Say seriously. So now, let's pick up some of this trash. Huh. Now let's pick up some of this. Okay. Pick up some of this trash. Here. Do it this way. There you go, over here, woman. Still hot. Still hot. Still on the hot spray. Still on the hot spray. Yeah. But yeah. This ain't the only good thing I can do. Going, there. Just found that right in my burnt. Huh. Tia, get over there. Get the fuck over here. Burnt. Right to a crisp. I knew my dad was the one he thought that it was gonna just make a little pop. I knew it was gonna make a hell of a bang. So, if all of you guys like that, like I've said, please don't forget to hit my subscribe button, my like button, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And yeah, like I said, I'm trying to get some clothing out, some merch. I don't know yet when what. Hey, you! What are you doing? You! Little Tig! Not no cow. Alright. Alright, back where we are. But yeah, like I was saying, we're planning on getting some merch, some t-shirt lines, pant lines, probably even get a shoe line. I'm trying to think of. Gotta really just do it hard. But yeah, me and my dog's gonna walk around the house real quick. You guys wanna join us again? There we go. Tia girl, come here. The battery's almost dead, so you guys are about ready to join the last bit of Josh's battery life. Haha! Come on, T! Come on! Come on, no, T. Come on! Come on, this way, guy! Come on, T. Haha! Hey, over here! Over here! Come on! T. Come on! Come on, hey, you're not no cow. Huh? Not no cow, T. Hey, come on. Come on. Okay? Tia, not no cow. Not today. Huh? Say, Tia's not a cow today. Huh? Tia. Hey, Tia, this way. Monster, this way. Get ball, get ball, get ball. Come on, right here. Like I said, that's the aftermath. Aftermath of the booming. Show you what's inside that. But that, my friends, is what you say. Tia, leave it. Tia. Crispos. But, leave it. Other than that, Tia, leave it. I'll show you what's this. Alright, Titi. Oh, damn. Now, made basically my own detonation tool. That's what it was. And it worked. It worked real well. Little cow, get up here. Come on, let's go. Okay? Come on. Come on, let's go. Hey, come on. We gotta end it here. Okay? Get up there. Get up there. Alright? Alright, this is gonna do it. Alright? Just don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave me a comment to do whatever next. I think that was the most lit thing we ever did. Please, leave me something. There's more to come. I've told you guys. Yeah. Come on. Hey, not that way. Not that way. This way. Hey, TT, this way. Go. Bring her. You can bring her if you want. You can grab her. I'll be right in. Alright, redo that. Sorry about that. This is the outro of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Just please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to hit that like button. And please, goddamn tripod, please don't forget to leave me a comment to let me know what you want me to do next. The one thing I am going to do next, and I can tell you guys, is I have a lot of land. Well, it's my parents, but up here where I live in Maine, it is boring. So, that's why I myself am planning on taking a trip somewhere, someplace, and I want to meet some people. So, if you guys would like to do the same, please leave me a comment, leave a like, and or even leave me a DM, and I'll get back to you. But please, who the hell is messing with our power box? Someone has been messing with it. But please, just if you want to meet up, I can tell you the first spot that I'm gonna probably be in, or that's my first trip I want to go to, is California. And I've been everywhere else, so that's my first trip I want to go to. So I've had a lot of support so far from, I can say, my mom and my dad. So if I have them so far, and I have even a couple other people I know support me, then we got it. I can get there. But just like I said, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave my notifications to all. And please hit that like button. Alright? Peace out.